So I wanted to bring you an update on that trip fare review. Remember the video I did? I'll post the link here. Well, 8 days later, we finally got a response. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down this trip so that you understand how everything went. So if you find yourself in this situation, you won't have an issue. So as you can see here, obviously the blue arrow is where I'm at. Now I saw this surge and I must have deleted that screenshot. I was way south of Fort Lauderdale Airport, and I saw it was at $25. Well, I was already coming to this area. So as I got here, obviously I picked up the $11 surge. When I got to this point, I was at $16.50. And then as you can see here, let's blow this up. As you can see there, I am directly under the $33 area. So I picked up the surge, $33 on my next trip. So as we got to moving, right, I wound up getting this really short trip request. Said 2 miles. There you go. 2.7 miles, 17 minutes, $33 surge, was paying out the $44.39. But when I completed the trip, this is what happened. And so we talked about this. I won't go into length on it. They said it would take 48 hours to complete. It wound up taking 8 days. I did text them again. They told me that it was going to be 5 to 7 business days. But then I got this yesterday telling me that the trip had been approved, which it should have been approved from the beginning. Here's the key that I want you guys to understand. You don't want to get upset with them. You don't want to get pissed off at them. This was a computer-generated red flag. And because of that red flag, they held back the fare. Because they have to make sure that, you know, and we know it happens. I'm not saying it does, but we know it happens. Somebody is spoofing the system. So that's what happened. I wound up getting my money. I'd already had a $45 trip. So in 2 rides, you know, with this ride here, the $44, right? We were already pushing, you know, 90 bucks, 100 bucks. And so there was no need to snap up on them. We knew the area we were going to work. But, you know, this is kind of like what I said not too long ago when we were talking about the glitch. And I'll put that video here. The glitch of the matrix of Uber's surge. I truly do believe that this red flag that the computer popped up, one of their engineers or their engineering department didn't realize that they were pushing out surges this high. And I don't think they've worked out the bugs to prevent us, yeah, I'm saying it, prevent us from getting these kind of surges on those short little trips. So I don't know. I guess we're going to find out. But at the end, I got paid. It only took a week to get my money. Peace out.